Hi, my name is Dennis Shin. You are on course CS319, and I'm here to explain the 7th experiment of web technology. So this is the code for our first page. We start off with the session start, link a rel style sheet, href is equal to style.css, form action is equal to page2.php, method post, div class is equal to page, div class head, input type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to checklist, value is equal to casual shoes, input type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to checklist, value formal shoes. We have a division class is equal to prod, table row is equal to id.il, th, id is equal to pl, input type radio, we have two radio buttons, value 500, value 700 with R1 and R1. Next we have our shoe, which is aligned to the left, that's width 500, our shoe with 700 is aligned also left. Our page that shows this is our output page. As we see here, we have two radio buttons here, followed by the two colored shoes. We can select the quantity here and the color, followed by the size, and we also have a next button here. Following that, we have our three options. We have given option 1, 2, and 3 for quantity, as well as for size A, B, C, and color red, blue, and green. Last we have given a button called submit, and this takes us to our next page. Our next page consists of the post session. This basically takes the inputted text and submits it to our database. So if I set it post is submit, if empty post checklist, for each post checklist is selected. Then we have our session key check is equal to select, and session radio is equal to post radio, session quantity is equal to post quantity, session size is equal to post size, and session color is equal to post color. And this what session does, it's an associative array containing session variables available to the parent script. So it basically takes whatever input we have and it stores it into the session, and our post displays whatever is inputted by the session. And here we have our shipping details. We have a form here which takes in all of our input data. We have our first name here, followed by last name. These are all in place of text fields. Street address, city, phone number, email, etc. We have two radio buttons here, values 250. We also have a submit button followed by a next button. So that's this right here. We are told to input for all of these, followed by two radio buttons. Upon clicking next, we have our order summary, which we're about to see right now. Order summary page is over here. Like I said, we have session f name, post f name. We follow that through for all these different attributes here, up to radio 2. We have echo first name is equal to session f name, echo last name is equal to session last name, echo address, session address, echo city, session city. We follow that up for every one of those components there. And then we move on to our table here. We have different table headers, item, quantity, and amount. Table header, we have shoe, and PHP echo session quantity, PHP session radio, star session quantity, and we give an echo express shipping. And likewise we do that for all our radio buttons, for our radio 2 and radio, and we follow that up by a submit button, which takes us to our confirm order page, as we see right here. So that leads us to a thank you for shopping page, and the code for that is right here, which is just a blank center bold thank you for shopping page. And let's move on to our Yeah, so this is our my admin page. So whenever we want to log in, for example, our first page here, um, yeah, so when we run this code, we are told to log in first. And if we wanted to do that, we would go to if we would give our username, which is Nishant, and password we would give Nadir, and that would take us to this page here. And yeah, we can give in our table data and all here. And yeah, so this would connect our code with our database, and thus we can elicit the given output. Uh, yeah, so our last page would give us our thank you for shopping, and that concludes our experiment. Thank you.